Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video. This time we're talking about a man-made tinder source, steel wool. Stick with me. Tick, 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 boom. Alright guys, we're going to talk about some steel wool. And it's a great tinder resource. Starts fires up quick. It burns super hot. Not only that, but it burns up fast. So you better be able to use it with something else in conjunction with this. Otherwise your fire is going to go out like that. So, without any further ado, let's get over next to the fire and see how this thing kicks off. Alright guys, probably one of the best things about steel wool is A, it burns hot. And B, you don't really have to process it too much. This is it. I mean, pull it right out of the box. Separate it out a little bit. Sometimes you don't even have to do that. That right there. We're just going to set that. Grab the ferro rod. Grab my knife. And that right there is burning, and it is literally white hot, guys. It's tremendously hot. That's going to kick off whatever you have. This is great for using it for wet or marginal bundles of tinder. As you can see, it goes up really, really fast though. But that is hot. That is super hot, and it will kick off pretty much any other tinder source you have. So it's always good to have a little something something along with your steel wool. Alright guys, so what I've got is steel wool, a little bit of jute twine, and this is river birch bark. And what I'm going to do is process it to catch from flint and steel. So leave that in there. What I'm going to do is take this little piece right here and just crumple it up. Get it some surface area. Get that to sit down on top of the steel wool, like that. Put that up on top. Now when I light this, I'm going to go ahead and fold it over with that piece, kind of make a little fire roll out of it, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here we go. So steel wool will take a flame, or take a spark, from a flint and steel kit. That's good to know. Some of the things about steel wool that you guys have to remember: it's easily come by. Almost every single household has it. Now we're talking about double odd, triple odd, super duper fine. Actually, I think this is quad. I think this is 4 zeros. 4 zeros is how fine this stuff is. And you need the super duper fine stuff. But it's in every single department store. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot, probably go into CVS, Walgreens, Walmart's, any of the popular drugstores have it. Easy to come by. Great tinder resource. Alright guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. Learning how to use some man-made tinder materials. It's a hot flash material, but it still really works really, really well. Have a great day. Remember, get out of the inside and into the outside, guys.